Understanding bridge ground in English. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore an interesting phrase in the English language: bridge ground. This expression may not be commonly used, but understanding it can enrich your vocabulary and comprehension of English idioms. So, let's dive in and unravel the meaning and usage of bridge ground. Bridge ground is a phrase that combines two words, bridge and ground. Individually, these words have clear meanings. A bridge is a structure built to span physical obstacles without closing the way underneath, often used for crossing over a river or a road. Ground refers to the solid surface of the earth. However, when combined, the meaning is not immediately obvious. This phrase is not a standard idiom in English and might be interpreted differently based on the context in which it's used. It could metaphorically mean finding a middle ground or a connecting point between two differing ideas or positions. To better understand bridge ground, let's look at some examples. 1. In a debate, a moderator might say, "Let's find a bridge ground between these opposing views." 2. In a business meeting, a manager might suggest, "We need to bridge ground between our marketing and sales strategies for better synergy." In these examples, bridge ground is used to denote finding a common or connecting point that can help in resolving differences or creating harmony. It's important to note that bridge ground is not a widely recognized idiom in English. So, its use might confuse native speakers or come across as incorrect. A more appropriate phrase could be, "find common ground," or "bridge the gap." These expressions are widely understood and convey a similar meaning of resolving differences or connecting ideas. I hope this video has helped clarify the phrase, bridge ground, and how it might be used in English. Remember, language is constantly evolving, and new expressions emerge all the time. Always feel free to explore and question the language, as it's a key to effective learning. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next English language adventure.